everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're starting off our snacks with a simple apple snack. So of course you're gonna need an apple out of your bucket of fruit, and you know, here I am just observing the apple and trying to seem cool. I'm gonna slice this up. Now a lot of people slice them horizontally and make little apple chips out of them. I'm not that cool, I'm not that nifty, so I'm using my awesome apple slicer. And then I'm just gonna take this granola bar. You can obviously use granola, but I like granola bars because they're just a little bit sweeter, I guess, and they're easier. So I'm just cutting that up to, you know, make for my toppings. And then of course peanut butter. You could use almond butter or Nutella, whatever you want. I just really like peanut butter, so you know, make yourself a little apple sandwich, apple snack, and just it's so delicious, so heavenly. So our next snack is when you're feeling a little bit more than snacky, like we'll just call this a lunch kind of idea. So you're going to want to boil just some shredded chicken. Obviously you could use some chicken that's not canned, but I'm a little on the lazy side, so I use just canned shredded chicken from Kroger. Then you're going to need tortilla shells and just some mild cheddar cheese or whatever kind of cheese you prefer. You can use mozzarella, whatever you want. And I'm just putting the cheese on one side, you know, putting it on my tortilla. Not much more to explain there. I'm taking my mom's wonderful salsa and putting like 2 tablespoons on each side. So good. And then once your chicken is boiled down, you're gonna put that on the tortilla, inside of the tortilla, and make yourself a cute little taco looking thing, and you're gonna fry that up. Oh my goodness, smells delicious, tastes delicious. Okay, doesn't look the best on this side because the salsa ran over it, but it's okay. I just flipped it over on the other side, and here I am trying to be nifty with a spatula, and I'm just not very nifty. And you can always change this up, add peppers, onions, whatever you want inside of it. Feel free.
How are they, Charity?
This next one is when you're on the go and you're just kind of lagging behind. You want a snack, or you're homeschooled like me and you don't want to cook anything. It's in between breakfast and lunch and you just want something good that's still gonna fill you up. So I love these Quaker caramel rice cakes. A lot of people can put yogurt, strawberries, bananas, peanut butter, almond butter on them. I just eat them plain. I'm just weird like that. So I just love a cup of tea and a plain rice cake, and it is so good. So good. I mean, just look at me delve into that like so graciously. Wow. I should be hired. Anyways, you can just walk out the door with your rice cake and be like, yes, I've got me a good snack. Okay. This is becoming my favorite snack, a homemade trail mix. It's as simple as that. So I got my Tupperware container out, and I got some Hershey bars out. You can obviously use chocolate chips, whatever you want. Chunk it up, throw it in there, and then I'll throw in almonds, honey roasted nuts, whatever you want. You could add actual Chex, whatever you want to do. Give it a good shake, and oh my goodness, you have yourself a good snack for whenever you're just feeling hungry, whether it's at work, whether it's at school, whether it's, I don't know, wherever you are. It's a good snack, and this is filling. Nuts are really good for you, and I love a little something sweet to go with my nuts, you know. So it's a really good trail mix, and you know, you should try it out. It's good for when you're studying. It's a good snack for wherever you are. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make for sure to give it a big thumbs up. I had a lot of fun filming this video because I have a hard time coming up with snacks that aren't just like chips and salsa. You know what I mean? So I like to branch out. Like, I like new snacks that aren't so heavy and that are filling. Comment down below any other videos. I really enjoy filming like cooking food videos. Like, it's just fun. I don't know. I like cooking, so yeah. Anyways, subscribe to my channel. All that jazz. Socials are down below. Socials. I always say socials. People probably don't even get that, or maybe they do, I don't know. But social medias are linked down below as well. Click that big notification bell so you do not miss out on any video that I upload. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time with a new video very soon.